Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 4. Now in the last chain from the hook I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now we have 8 double crochets with 1 chain in between, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to complete row 1 I'll chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. And now I will chain 1, then right there through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet, then I'll chain 5, this is row 2, and right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. Now again I will chain 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. Chain 4, through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. Now I will chain 3, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. And now again I will chain 5, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. I'll chain 3, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. I'll chain 4, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 popcorn stitch. And then I will chain 4, then right here through this loop I'll make a popcorn stitch right here. We need to have 8 popcorn stitches for row 2. Now I'll chain 5, then right there through this right there through a single crochet from the beginning of the row, I'll make 1 single crochet. And now right here through this double crochet from our first row, right through that chain, I'll make 1 slip stitch. Now right here through this 5 chain loop, I'll make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now through this popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 4 single crochet. Through the next popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 4 single crochet. Through this popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 single crochet. Through this next popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this 5 chain loop, I'll make 4 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I will chain 1. Then through that same loop, I'll make 4 single crochet. Through this next popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 single crochet. Through this next popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this 4 chain loop, I'll make 4 single crochet. Through this next popcorn stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop, I'll make 5 single crochet. So now to finish this third row, right here through this double crochet from my first row, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So these are our final results. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.